Hello everyone and welcome back to Prodhart channel. Today we're discussing the best laptops under 50,000 in India. A laptop has become an essential item in today's world. There are a variety of designs and models available in the market. They have been slowly replacing the computers so they can rule the entire world. Even though the tablets and mobiles present nowadays have become famous for their functions similar to computers, they are not as comfortable as laptops. But the issue is that most people prefer laptops as they are more comfortable and suitable for many software. One of the most important things that need to be taken into account while purchasing a laptop is the price and purpose. Feature of the laptop will vary according to the purpose. For example, if you are choosing a laptop for studying, then a simple laptop that can support some basic software like Microsoft Office and Photoshop will be enough. But if you are a professional designer, then the most suitable laptop will be an advanced model that has the ability to withstand advanced software like 3D Maya and other animation related software. The budget of a laptop will also decide what features you can or cannot get. For example, you can get a high quality i7 processor in a laptop of 1 lakh, while a normal laptop of 20,000 will have a basic Intel processor. So before buying the laptop is under the price of 50,000, it is essential for you to learn about them and choose the correct option. Having a budget of 50,000 rupees is reasonable, and this price will allow you to have a decent laptop with some advanced features. Students and people going to the office can use these laptops. Even though they won't be suitable for some extreme professionalism like programmers and designers, you can still use them if you are studying for these professions. They are more advanced than the basic level laptops, but not advanced enough. Brand. The brand plays an essential role while purchasing a laptop. If you are choosing a brand that has a good name, then you will be assisted with a good quality product and proper servicing from time to time. It doesn't matter whether you have a problem with the software or the hardware. Having a local service center will allow you to repair your laptop at the correct time, even when there is an emergency. So a product from a particular brand that has a suitable set of service centers all around the country will allow you to experience a good warranty without having to submit and sending the laptop through the courier. Most of the laptops from well-known brands have excellent quality within them. For the budget of 50,000, almost all the brands are available in the market. Screen resolution and size. If you are purchasing a laptop for 50,000, you should also make sure it is not technically just good. It should also be good in terms of practicality. For example, the size of the screen plays an important role while purchasing a laptop because it should be both large and also have high resolution at the same time. While purchasing a laptop for 50,000, make sure the size of the screen is larger, like 15.6 inches to 17 inches. The resolution should also be of high quality with HD features. The laptop should have at least 1080 pixels for providing good clarity. The webcam used in the laptop should also have a good pixel rating, so it will be easier for you to have business related conferences with no degradation in the quality. Storage. There are multiple storage devices models available in the market. Choosing the best model out of them might be a difficult choice, especially if you are trying to purchase a laptop button with a budget of 40,000. In such case scenarios, you will be exposed to many designs within a decent price range. However, if you are looking for a perfect temporary storage device, otherwise known as a RAM memory device, the best option will be to go for the 8GB product. Most of the devices that have a low budget will be provided with a 4GB RAM memory, but there is also a certain advantage to devices that have 32GB RAM memory. These advanced devices or laptops are mainly used for graphical designing and animation, hacking and other intense programming language related jobs. The RAM memory increases the speed of their application and all the details are stored in the form of caches within the RAM. The next important concept is the disk drive. Available in two different forms. One is the solid state drive, is more stable and can work along with intense programming languages and applications. They are mostly used in a laptop that is used for developing gaming applications and other heavy programming language based applications. If you are purchasing a laptop with a solid state drive for the price of 50,000, then you can go for the one with a storage space of 500GB. The hard disk drive is the age-old concept and it has been under existence for several decades. If you are choosing the hard disk drive for storing information on your laptop, then you can choose the model with 1TB storage space that will allow you to store more data in the form of images and video files. But it is essential for you to preserve the laptop because they might get damaged easily. The hard disk drive is used as a special disk for storing the detail in the form of the memory. The disk rotates at the speed of 5000 to 7000 rotation per minute, and the information is extracted from the disk while rotating. So, extracting the information will take a bit of time when compared to the solid state drive. But you have both the models available in the market and choose the one that will suit you the most. Graphics card. Most of the laptops available within the price range of 50,000 come along with integrated graphics cards. But there are certain models that come along with additional cards so that the graphic designers and other animators can purchase them. Technically, these cards are not useful for people who are purchasing the laptop for simple purposes. The graphic card is mainly responsible for converting the codes and other data within the laptop to make them visible on the screen according to the user. So it requires proper storage space for processing the codes and converting them into display images. But the integrated card will not be sufficient if you are using the laptop for graphic designing, which requires more space, and hence additional graphic cards are essential in such situations. Processor. The processor is considered as the heart and brain of the laptop. Storage devices play a major role in storing the information. You need a processor to process the information and provide output for all the functions and activities that will happen within the laptop. For every application of the normal operating system, the processor will include the result after the output is produced. Having a good quality processor like i3 or i5 will allow you to experience fast solution for the executed programs within a brief span of time. When you are purchasing a laptop for the budget of 50,000, you will be provided with the best quality processors like i5, i3 and i7. If you are purchasing a processor based laptop, then make sure it has at least 64-bit for programming languages and hackers. But if you are using the laptop for normal, then a simple 32-bit best will be more than enough. These compute the laptop, and hence with the increase in number of bits, you will have more computing power. The next feature that needs to be noted while purchasing a processor is the number of cores available. You can purchase a laptop that has dual or quad core technologies, so you can run several applications at the same time using multiple cores. If you are not, you can always use a single core technology available in cheap price laptops. For the price of 50,000, you will purchase a laptop with single, dual, quad core technology with the latest processor. Battery and laptop size. The size and technology go hand in hand. With the development in technology, most people have prepared products that are small, all with proper design. So while purchasing a laptop, make sure it is a slim fit model with easy portability and low weight. Most of the laptops available for the price of 50,000 will allow you to have a slim technology model or a notebook model with a good appearance on the outer side. Purchasing a laptop with a supercharged battery will allow you to work long hours and charge less than the laptop, because these batteries take only half an hour to charge up to 60%. Also, the laptop should last at least 10 hours before switching off with no charging connection. Most of the laptops available for the price of 50,000 will satisfy you in the department of battery. The keyboard also plays an important role in the laptop, and hence they should be economically placed with proper distance between the keys. Having an extra set of keyboard with numbers will allow you to perform calculations easily, especially if you are an accountant or using the laptop for shop maintenance. Make sure that the laptop has proper ports to connect them to external storage devices like hard disks and pen drives. For graphic designing and animation, you might be required to connect the laptop with other laptops to make sure that it also has the provision for that. The battery of the laptop plays an important role, and hence it should last forever. Most of the time, the battery results in a monumental failure and stops working in the middle of the work. So having a good battery with proper insulation will allow you to enjoy working with no interruption. All these features are essential to purchase a suitable laptop for all professions. There are a variety of models and designs available in the market. So if you are looking forward to purchasing a good brand, then choose one of them from the ahead recommendations, or purchase a product from similar features from Amazon or Flipkart. Recommendations: Asus ZenBook Intel Core i5. Description: Intel Core i5 8th generation processor, 14 inches widescreen, 8 GB RAM and 256 GB SSD. Integrated graphics, available in a beautiful gold color and weighs 1.3 kg. HP Chromebook 14-inch laptop. Description: 14-inch widescreen, AMD dual core processor, 4 GB RAM and 32 GB MMC storage. Chrome OS. Dell Vostro 15.6-inch FHD laptop. Description: 15.6 inches widescreen, FHD laptop 10th generation Core i3, 4 GB RAM with 256 GB SSD and 1 TB HDD, pre-installed Windows 10, integrated graphics. Lenovo IdeaPad S145 8th generation. Description: Intel Core i3 processor, 15.6 inches widescreen, thin and portable with 1.86 kg in weight, 4 GB RAM and 1 TB HDD, available in a beautiful grey color. Acer Swift 3 14-inch laptop. Description: 14 inches widescreen, 256 GB HDD and 4 GB RAM. Pre-installed Windows 10, integrated graphics, stellar blue color. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like and share and subscribe to ProdHut channel.